Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this fantastic style. It's an off shoulder, as you can see, and it's a flay. It's a triangle flay. It's not a full flay, but it's a triangle flay. I can see the sleeve also. You can see how bogus it is, and it has an elastic rubber around the neckline, and that is all what I will be taking you today. So if you are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click on that subscribe button for more tutorials. And for those who have already subscribed to my channel, I'm using this mail to appreciate you guys. So let me start the cuttings. I'm using 2 ml of this khaki material. You can see how thick it is to bring out that same style you are seeing on the screen. So the first folding is going to be into 2, then into 4, like a triangle. What are the necessary measurements we are using on this? The measurements are the full length, is an off shoulder. The full length of this dress is going to be 36 inches, and the bust measurement, is not going to be a normal bust measurement. The actual bust measurement is 40 inches. Then I'm going to have some allowance to it. So let me put the fabric for you now. So this is going to be into 2. You can see this is into 2 already, then into 4, like a triangle. This is triangle flay. You can see this is into 4. This is into 4. You can see now. So I'll be taking the necessary measurements. So I want to check where I can get my shoulder measurement to be 12 inches. The normal shoulder measurement is 8 inches. The normal shoulder measurement is 8 inches, but since it's an off shoulder and it has an elastic rubber, then we're going to add some inches to it, so I'll be able to ruffle it with the elastic rubber. So how can you do that? You're going to add additional measurement to the main measurement. So we'll be adding 4 inches to the main measurement to give us, this is 8. Then I'll be adding 4 inches to it to give us 12. So let me see where I can get my 12 inches. You can see now. You can see I have to go down to this area to get my 12 inches. So this is the line of 12 inches. The line of 12 inches. You can see. You can see the line of 12 inches. So you can see it now. The next thing I'm going to do here is to take the armhole measurement, but mind you, is a short armhole that we're going to use here. I'll be taking 4 inches up for the up shoulder, 4 inches up, and this is my 4 inches. Then the complete armhole is going to be 8 inches. That is 4 to 8. That's 4 inches for the armhole. So this is my 4 inches. You can see. Then from here now, I'll be using my armhole cut to bring out the shape of the armhole. So here is it, just to give me the nice shape of the armhole, as you can see it now. So the next thing to do here, you can also determine the wideness of the bust here, but this is not necessary because it's not a fitted bust. You can see it's not a fitted. By the time we use an elastic rubber here, this area will be compressed. So you're going to see that that pleat that is going to form after putting elastic rubber. So this is the area we're going to take our length, the full length. So I'll be taking my 4 inches up to get my full length. A full length of 30. We're going to 36 inches, So I'll make use of 33 inches. Then the remaining taping is going to carry the full length. So that is 3 inches. So 36. 33. Then I'm going to make use of my ruler to bring the shape out. A small slant to the full length of the dress. So you can see now. So I can now make use of my scissors for the cutting. You can see the shape of our dress. You can see now. So when you open it, you see how big it's going to be. So this is now the center. You have to notch the center just for you to know the center. So the next thing to cut out now is the sleeve. Cut out the sleeve. You can see I'm cutting from the remaining fabric, so I'm folding it into 4 this way. As you can see, this is into 4 places. So I want this area to be wide enough. No, we're still going to put an elastic over there, so to give us that shape we are seeing on the picture. So it can be wider than this, depending on the fabric you're using. I told you I'm using 2.5 yards of this fabric, so I'm supposed to use 3 yards to make the sleeve more bigger than this, but I'll be managing this. So I'm folding this into 4 like this for the 2 sleeves, and you can see the wideness I'm getting from here is 13 inches wideness. You can see that's 13 inches in 2 places. Now this is for 2 sleeves. That means the whole wideness is going to be 26 inches. So I'm coming to the upper part here. The main measurement for the up shoulder here should be 3.5 inches, as it's a fitted up shoulder, but since it's carrying an elastic over, I'll be adding 4 inches to it to go for 7.5 inches, and that's what I'll be taking here. This is 7.5 inches, you can see here. Then I'll be rolling it out. Come to this area, you know what the particular armor on the dress took was 4 inches, so this is something applicable to this. So this is 4 inches as well. You can see the line of 4 inches. The line of 4 inches. So I'm just going to use my armor core to bring out the shape. I'm not taking the wideness of this. I know it to be wider than the arm, so just trying to take it this way, and from here now I'm going to slant it down like this. So this is only the wideness I can get from the remaining fabric, so that's why I'm using it this way. And the length of my sleeve, so let me say, assume it's a complete sleeve, it's going to be like this. You know, assume it's a complete sleeve, you're just going to cover it with this, and we have left the 4 inches up, you know, that's for the up shoulder. So assume it's a complete sleeve, is going to be like this. Then you go like this, but since it's an up shoulder, so we're cutting this area off. So to know the main length, that's I'm starting from here. The main length of the sleeve is 16 inches. 16 inches. To the center as well. So this is the sleeve, you can see it now. So I'm going to keep this aside. So this is after cutting the sleeve. So the main thing to cut out now is the band at the front of the dress, at the chest line to the armhole to the back. So that is going to carry 3 inches. Then the 3 inches is going to be, you're going to fold the 3 inches like this. Then I will be using it to tape the front of the dress like this, you know, after, and that is going to be after attaching your armor to it. After attaching the sleeve to it, then we're going to use this to tape it like this. So it has so now it's going to be at this middle, this middle, then we're going to put our elastic rubber. We're not going to put the elastic rubber in here, no, we're going to put it at the middle of the taping and the main dress. You can see, so when you tape this up, we're going to put an elastic rubber at the middle, then we're going to use that elastic rubber to shrink it. So I've cut this out as many as I can, just for it to be able to cover the front and the back and the sleeve. So the next thing to cut out now is the band. So this is the band I'm attaching to the down part here. This is the down part of the dress. You can see, when you check out the down part of the, you can see it has a thick band, and this is what I've cut out. So I'll be joining this at the down part like this. So there's no need of stitching the down part again, so just join this band at the down part for it to give you that exact style. So you can see, so let me go and do that and show it to you. is the style. You can see this is the upper part, this is the taping that we added to the neckline, like the way I told you. You can see, and this is the area I put my elastic over. So I'm just going to weave up this just to knit it. You can see. So this is the sleeve. It has an elastic over too. You can see now. And this is the down part with these inches of band at the down part. You can see it now. You can see it turned out nicely. You can see. For the stitching, the first thing you have to do is to join the two sides together first. Now you want to join an off shoulder, you have to join it at the two sides first. After then, you attach your sleeve to both sides. After attaching your sleeve to both sides, then you take that 3 inches band, that tiny 3 inches band, you fold it into two. Then you tape it round the, this is the front, you tape it round the neckline. It goes to the sleeve also. You can see. Then it's going to end to the back. So this is where I end it. I start from here, then I end it here also. So this is when I join the two together. You can see. So you can see. So this is where it's going to end. Then and I open it, and I added my elastic over. When I open the center, then I add my elastic over to it. So you cannot see how simple the stitching is. So it's not that difficult to stitch. So this gown, you can see, is very nice. So you can also try it. If you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? You have to subscribe to my channel for more amazing styles. Follow me on TikTok for the styling of this dress at Liza Fashion, and also on Shorts on YouTube. See you in my next class. Bye.